And eh.
Yeah,
And
kasi
it's
yung
slippery.
pressure and the
Yeah,
force
and
of
it's
the...
Kala ko nga ako bro eh. Kanina.
She was like in her normal position lang. Then biglang,
Confident sila kanina eh.
And then it just slipped. And then she didn't even notice.
Yeah.
Oh.
She was like, what? It's me. But it's
She was
okay.
so upset nga rin eh.
Yeah. But it was okay. She was in her, also in her comfortable
Sa ano
state.
naman, yung kay AZ naman,
Transition.
sa pag-switch, no?
No,
Paano
but-
yun?
But ako yun,
Yan.
ako yung kasama ni AZ nun. I think nung lilipat lang kami, kasi nakaupo eh. Doon lang talaga nahirapan. Kala ko, I don't wanna blame eh. Hindi mo lang naman kasalanan sa amin. Yung pagpalit lang talaga yung mahirap, pag-adjust. Kasi may pressure na eh.
Oo.
I think nagkamali lang nung she moved this way na.
So lumuwag lang.
Parang lumuwag, kaya gumanon eh, di ba? Hindi siya, nakapress na kami nun eh. Nakapress na, alam ko may pressure na nun, na dulas lang talaga.
It's okay, it's okay. Tumagal naman lahat ng groups eh. Tsaka wala naman nagiging prideful ba? Yung parang, hindi, kaya ko pa to. Tapos nagkakamali. So, that's so good.
Tsaka at least alam na natin kung ano i-fix bukas. Pag ganun.
Pero props rin to Josh and Kira.
Josh.
Wow.
Thank you guys.
I think for the switching, what's effective is yung ginagawa namin ni Dustin na parang one at a time. Like, switch, tapos naka-pressure. Always may pressure.
Yes.
Yun nga yun eh.
Very important is the pressure. And laging may daliri. If ito yung sa ilaw, or sa, nakaganon lang yung finger. Kasi no matter if it goes up and down, you can control it eh.
Yeah.
Para there's always pressure.
Basta huwag mo nang i-press yung buzzer.
Wag.
Yeah. Guidance.
Sige, okay lang. Dito, sorry. Dito rin, dito. Sorry. Ito ba? Okay. I just like spread it around. Just spread it around. I think I should just spread it like around. Parang kalat eh.